How to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen? First step, repair the game file. Open up Riot client, click profile account, click settings. This page will appear. Click Valorant, click repair and start repair. Wait for some time, is actually verifying your game file. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after it will throw up the message successfully repaired. Click OK, then move on with next step. Search for run and type the following text. CLEANMG or click OK. Select the drive to disk cleanup. Select the files you are going to delete. Once selecting after, you can click view files to verify the files. Click OK. Click delete files. And wait for some time. Once complete after, you need to click this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. Right click. Click properties. Click tools. Click check and scan the drive. No error were found. Successfully scanned. Click OK. Then move on with next step. Right click Valorant. Click properties. Click compatibility. Enable run the program as administrator. Click apply and OK. And the next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click 11 app. Click change settings. Scroll down and search for Riot client and Valorant. It should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means click allow another app in the bottom side. Click it. Click browse. Go to C drive. Riot games. Riot client. You get the Riot client application. Click add. I already have so I skip it. Once adding after, make sure it should enable in both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. And come to next step. Search for run and type the following text. Services.msc. Click OK. Search for VGC services. Scroll down. Right click it. Click properties. Make sure the startup type it should be in automatic or manual. It depends on you. Click apply and OK. And the service status should be in running mode. Once complete after, close it. And the last and final step, if none of the things are not working means search for appwiz.cpl. Click OK. The uninstall page will appear. In this you need to search for Riot Vanguard. Click it and uninstall it. Once uninstall after, you need to restart your device. After restart, you can open up the Riot client. It will asking for reinstalling the Riot Vanguard freshly reinstall it. Thank you.